We might pick a few stones and do our pre-burn with the sprayer, but other than that, there's no need for a heavy harrow or straw management other than the straw spreader on the combine.
The pillar design allows me to seed directly into 25-inch tall standing flax stubble without any additional field operation.
I was able to go through trash that I could never go through with our previous drills. This year we seeded standing grass. It hadn't been seeded for 15 years. It did a fabulous job. Seed fertilizer placement's very good. The seed shelf is very precise and depth control is awesome. And the fertilizer placement has good seed to fertilizer displacement.
Pulls a lot easier than a hoe drill. We're saving money on fuel, and by going 6.5 mile an hour, it's like having a 55-foot independent opener drill. We'll put less hours on the tractor and get more done in a narrower seeding window.
Discs are simple to change, and the scrapers are easy to adjust for vertical separation of seed and fertilizer. I'm able to readjust depth on my 40-foot drill in about 15 minutes. In my often dry conditions, I get about 8,000 acres on discs and double that on scrapers.
Jay farms near Battleford.
Well, it's very good in the standing tall straw, and it's also very good in evenly distributed straw. It seems to cut into the ground better than others we've tried before, and it seems to put the seed and fertilizer in the right place no matter what conditions we go through. We have different kinds of soil types from sand to loam, and there's different terrains, and it follows our land very well.
Andy farms near Margaret, Manitoba.
We were looking for something that would do fertilizer and seed in one pass. The pillar will seed into sod so well, and any kind of firm conditions, especially where there's any amount of stubble, that disc just cuts right through and makes space for the seed and fertilizer. It really did save us a lot of time and a lot of headache.
The design means the pillar can easily seed into heavy and damp straw that can compromise seed-to-soil contact in traditional designs. The pillar allows for disc drill accuracy and efficiency in areas where traditional disc drills have failed in the past.
Well, the benefit to our farm is the flexibility to seed into many different scenarios that most other seeders just will not do.
And they allow us to seed anything from corn to canola and safely double shoot fertilizer. And after that, the field finishes quite smooth.
Had the pillar drills and openers for lots of years, and with this new Mark III opener, the seed and fertilizer placements are very accurate. They are also very robust and rigid, and they handle the different stresses that are put on them very well. We can also seed at a comfortable mile per hour through all the conditions, whether it's tall straw, small straw, or big stones.
Hi, this is Dick Friesen from Pillar Ag. I would like to send out a special thank you to all our customers for your past and present support.